Want to clear your ChatGPT conversation history? Here are all the ways to do it. One chat all at once or from your phone. On the web, hover over any chat in the left sidebar. A three-dot menu will appear next to the title. Click it and you'll see different options such as archive and delete. Delete removes the chat permanently. It's immediately gone from your sidebar and will be permanently deleted from OpenAI servers within 30 days. There is no undo. Click delete, confirm, and it's done. Archive is different from delete. Archive hides the chat from your sidebar without deleting it. It's still there, just out of the way. To access archive chats, click your profile icon, go to Settings, then Data Controls, and select Archive Chats. From there, you can restore them to your sidebar or permanently delete them. Use Archive when you want to clean up your sidebar without losing the conversation. To clear everything at once, click your profile icon, go to Settings, then Data Controls. Find Delete All Chats and click it. With just one confirmation, every conversation is gone all at once. This cannot be undone, so only do this if you're sure you want a completely fresh start. On mobile, tap the menu, find the chat, press and hold it, then tap Delete in red. It's permanent. There is no recovery option. One important thing to know, deleting a chat does not delete ChatGPT's memories from that conversation. To manage what ChatGPT remembers about you, go to Settings, then Personalization, select Memory, and delete individual memories from there. Or you can just tell ChatGPT directly, forget everything you know about me. Deletion is immediate and permanent. There is no undo. Hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.